Well, just got out here at the airport and I found out there's a new airplane out here, a two-seater. What do you think of that? What do you think of that, Spike? Looky here, we'll start it up. Looky there. So I don't know who brought that out. I don't think it was here yesterday. But I guess that'll give kids something to play with. And Spike. Don't know if that's showing up. Are you good to take it off? Are you good to take off? Show them what it does. See here. Okay, come on. Come on. Spike, come on. Not sure how to get out of there, huh? That seat's slick. Okay. There we go. Well, fancy that. Anyways, like I say, I hadn't seen it. I didn't see it yesterday if it was out here, so showed up sometime. There you go, new airplane at the airport. God bless.